Assalamualaikum and good morning. Our group Blooming Blast will present basic programming assignment. The topic is brain test dominant. This is our group member. Darwishah Atirah binti Rosli as a leader, Alfa Shakira binti Abdullah, Putri Hani Amisha binti Reji, Nur Anis Atikah binti Jina, and Nurul Nazihah binti Uda. Introduction. Our project is to identify brain test dominant among students through a test program in C++ programming language. Brain dominance theory or lateralization of brain function is the theory suggests that certain approaches to thinking according to the hemisphere left and right of the brain. This is our analysis. The name of the program is Brain Test Dominant and it wants to identify the dominance of brain among students. This program was coded with C++ programming language using dev C++ and it contained 9 questions based on brain test dominant. The program ran properly on of the Visual Studio Code using dev C++. If the total mark you get more A than B, so the output will on printing you are left brain dominance. However, if you get more B than A, so the output will on printing you are right brain dominance.
This is our task distribution. Darwishah Atirah binti Rosli as our leader. She take a part in coding the source code, analysis and development and evolution. Alfa Shakira binti Abdullah. Alfa take a part in coding source code, introduction, analysis and flowchart. Putri Hani Amisha binti Reji. She take a part in coding source code, analysis, table of task distribution and conclusion. Nur Anis Atikah binti Jina. She take a part in coding source code, analysis, development and evaluation and appendix. And our last member is Nurul Nazihah binti Uda. She take a part in coding source code, analysis, appendix and flowchart.
Okay, for the next is 4.0 design flowchart. This flowchart have 9 questions about brain test domains. First, you must put your names and then you can choose A or B to the answer. For the question 1, I would prefer A. Solving puzzle or math problems, B. Playing music or drawing. Question 2, it is easy for me to remind people by A. Their names, B. Their face. Question 3, fold your hand with thumb is on top, A. Right, B. Left. Question 4, cross your legs with legs is on top, A. Right, B. Left. Question 5, when you listen to a new songs, you are more interested in the A. Lyrics, B. Rhythm and melody. Question 6, based on your opinions, do you have a good imaginations? A. No, B. Yes. Question 7, usually I judge something based on A. Logical reasons that comes up, B. My feelings towards. Question 8, draw a usage when an arrow at the end, which direction of the cursor and arrow goes, A. Clockwise, B. Anti-clockwise. Question 9, when you look at the objects and close one of your eyes, which eyes is still open, A. Right eyes, B. Left eyes. Finish answering. You can know what you are left brains or right brains.
Next, I will present on the development and evaluation. So, this is the coding of our project in DEV C++. First, we made a simple questionnaire regarding brain tests for users to determine whether they are right or left brain dominance. Second, the theory is that people are either left brain or right brain, meaning that one side of the brain is dominant. Third, if you are mostly analytical and methodical in your thinking, you are said to be left brain. And fourth, if you tend to be more creative or artistic, you are thought to be right brain. This is the example output for our coding. I will continue my presentation with the conclusion of our project. From our project, we noticed that we are still not that good in making the coding code. However, our group members did well in contributing ideas even though we cannot communicate directly. We managed to discuss our project via WhatsApp. All in all, this project helped us a lot in understanding basic programming since we can brainstorm the ideas of our coding project in a group, and also teach us that teamwork is very important to ensure that our project will run successfully. Last but not least, here is the brief description of our project. Our program name is Brain Test Dominance. It requires the users to answer the 9 questions provided, and users need to input whether their answer is A or B. After they finish answering all of the questions, the output will show the users the final answer, whether they are left or right brain dominant. We have reached the end of our video presentation. That is all from us. Thank you for watching.